CLMVT, the future, challenges, and opportunities. CLMVT, a region comprising Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, Vietnam, and Thailand, plays an important economic role within Asia as a key hub for trade, transportation, investment, tourism, and industry. This area is of abundant resources and diversity in cultures, ethnicities, and languages, in addition to the shared history among inhabitants for many centuries. Mutually beneficial economic relationship within the CLMVT region has also prospered, as shown in the increasing intra-regional trade and travel. Moreover, CLMVT countries are located between China and India, which are respectively the world's largest and the second largest countries in terms of population. This important geographical factor will greatly support the economic growth of the region. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations, or ASEAN, was formed in 1967. Since then, the cooperation among its members has gradually developed and eventually, at the end of 2015, the ASEAN Economic Community, or AEC, was established. The relationship between CLMVT countries has become even more intertwined under the ASEAN framework. At the same time, CLMVT countries are also key actors in moving ASEAN forward and promoting ASEAN's role in the global economic arena. In 2015, CLMVT countries had an average GDP growth rate of 6.3% per year, which is even higher than ASEAN's average of 4.7%. CLMVT countries combined have an average income per capita of about $3,000 and a total population of more than 235 million, most of which are young workforce with high purchasing potential. Additionally, average labor cost is still relatively low in comparison with other regions around the world. The private sector of CLMVT countries plays a leading role, both upstream and downstream, in establishing linkages to connect the regional production and supply chain network, supported by intergovernmental agreements. Each country endeavors to further deepen the cooperation at every level, including the public and private sector partnership. Endowed with richness in culture and strong economic infrastructure, there is tremendous potential for all sectors, including but not limited to agriculture, tourism, as well as manufacturing of related products within and among CLMVT countries. To help increase economic growth within the free trade area, trade facilitation services for business have been established, and government policies granting foreign investment privileges have been implemented to make CLMVT countries an increasingly attractive trade and investment destination for entrepreneurs around the world. The CLMVT Executive Program on New Economy is organized by the New Economy Academy, or NEA, under the Department of International Trade Promotion, Ministry of Commerce. This program is conceptualized under the theme of Business Transformation Partnership and aims to create an executive network from leading public and private agencies across CLMVT countries in order to build a solid foundation for future cooperation. This program also serves as a forum where ideas are exchanged among such leaders to generate a platform for policy recommendations on how CLMVT countries can develop in the new digital economy to ensure that the region will be well prepared for the uncertainties of future global trade. It is expected that this forum would stimulate an exchange of ideas and experiences from participants, especially between the public and private sector, to formulate practical means to foster regional economic development and shared prosperity, considering viewpoints from both policy and corporate perspectives, leading to meaningful business and economic transformation. With the help of world-renowned professors and experts, discussions will be held to formulate and propose development direction in which the region's strengths can be harvested, resolving weaknesses, and unlocking obstacles, thus enhancing the regional potential for sustainable growth in the digital economy. The NEA CLMVT Executive Program on New Economy will deepen cooperation and assist the region in advancing forward with a common goal by cultivating trust and respect. It is without a doubt that through continued intra-regional cooperation, the CLMVT region will realize its potential to become a rising star in the global economy.